I'm gonna teach you how to make greens like my mammy taught me. Okay, and they just as good. Okay, they're going. They belong anywhere. Okay, if you like collard greens, you're gonna love this. Okay, I just sweated down just bacon, and I got the grease off of it. That's just about a handful of bacon, and I use bacon pieces. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator because I'm gonna make some green beans tomorrow, and I'm gonna finish sweating it down. I got about 2 to 3 tablespoons of good bacon grease in my cast iron Dutch oven. And this Dutch oven is from the 1800s. It come off of a chuck wagon that was on a real Texas cattle drive and come from a real large Texas ranch out in a place called Centerville, Texas, where they grow fine cattle. We're going to use a little bit of sugar, a couple pinches of sugar. We're going to use 1 whole onion. We're going to use a little bit of hot sauce. This is homemade hot sauce. It don't take a whole lot. Looks like I need to get a new bottle. All right. Going to use salt. We're going to use a little garlic. We're going to use some Tonys, some black pepper, some jalapenos, and pickles. Oh yeah, and some crushed red pepper flakes. All right, so let's get on down with it, and let's see how this all goes together. All right, let me move you guys around, and we'll give you a shot of what we got going. Oh, wait a minute. I got 2 bunches of collard greens that I washed 3 times last night and shredded. I didn't chop them, I shredded them. Just like this right here. They're just in little pieces. Alright? And then I got about 3, 4, where's my education at? 6. I got 6 of these ham cubes. They just come off the Christmas ham. Okay, they're just chunks that come off the leftover Christmas ham. All right, they've been froze in the freezer. So let's just hold off and let me get the camera switched around, and we're gonna be right back. Low medium fire. Set that good cast iron up there and get it warm. Okay, you don't want this hot. You'll burn everything and it won't taste good. Alright, you let your cast iron warm up on its own. I'm just scratching the bottom of it because I did sweat that bacon down in here, and this particular Dutch oven, I rescued it from a ranch that these people had bought, and they didn't know how to. This had been put up in a barn and had just been left for no telling how many years, and it had pits down the bottom of it, and I took and cleaned it up, and well, I took a buffer and got all of the sand in, got all the rust out of the bottom of it, and seasoned it in a fire, and cleaned it up. And it took me. This is about the 4th or 5th year that I've had it, and this is only about the 5th or 6th time I've cooked in it. Now, I haven't been able to cook in it much because it took me a long time to get it seasoned and get it right. But I've got the bottom of it just about right. We started using it about 2 years ago, and you really don't have a large um, amount of unless you're cooking for a big bunch of people, you don't really need this. But when we're sweating down these grains, you'll see there's a lot of them in the beginning, and they shrink down quite a bit. All right, so let's let that warm up, and we'll once it gets up to temp, I'll show you what we're gonna do. Mm.